everybody. Welcome back. Welcome into 2023. I hope that you all had a fantastic year in 2022 and that this year offers more happiness, peace, and prosperity to you. This is Diane Bullock of RE/MAX Executive. I wanted to come and give you a market update for the Severn, Maryland area. And this is for January through November of 2022 because the 2022 stats for December have not come out yet. They'll be available sometime later this month. So getting into the statistics for January through November of 2022, there was an average of 468 homes sold in Severn. That's single family homes and townhomes. There was an average of a total of 468 units sold. Of that 468 units that were sold, the average days on market for homes was about 15 days. That means that the houses were listed and they did not stay on the market for more than 15 days before they got an offer to purchase. That's because we're still in a situation where we have limited inventory and there's still higher buyer demand and not enough houses to go around for these buyers. So that's why the houses are lasting on the market for no more than about 2 weeks. Okay, the average sold price for homes was about $500,546. Okay, and the median sold price was about $485,000. Okay, the list price for these houses, to sold price, there's a ratio for that with the original list price to the sold price. And for these homes that sold for 2022, the average list price was about $492,391. But the average sold price in comparison was about $364,914. I'll explain that to you in greater detail a little bit later. But just to give you some numbers, the detached average sold price, that means the single family homes, the average sold price was about $551,607 for those single family homes. Now, there are houses that have sold in a higher price range, but some of those houses probably did not. They probably had contracts and did not actually close yet, so I don't know what those statistics are. But anyway, there were 340 detached units sold, and there were 128 attached units, meaning townhomes sold. So like I said, there was a total of 468 units sold in the Severn area. The total dollar amount for all of these homes that were sold was $230,439,212. Wow, think about that figure. So just looking at the price changes year over year from this time last year as compared to this time this year, there was a decrease in pricing of about 12.89%. That means that in November of 2022, the sold dollar volume for the homes was $230,439,212. But at the same time last year, for all of the houses that sold last year, the dollar sold volume was $264,524,376. So just looking at that comparison, the average sold price in homes for the year of 2022 at this time last year, which was the end of November, the average sold price of homes was $464,000, $464,371. Okay, and compared to this year, the average sold price was $500,546. So that right there was a 7.79% difference in pricing. Okay, Last year at this time, we had 578 homes sold. But again, like I said, the price range was a little bit higher and it's gone down now. So now the units sold this year was 468 homes compared to 578 last year. Okay, the days on market is still about the same. Days on market in 2021 was about 14 days on market, and this year it's 15 days on market. And the units sold were broken down as detached homes 425 for 2021, 340 for 2022, and townhome sales 153 townhomes in 2021 and 128 townhomes for 2022. So that's where we arrived at the 578 total units sold for 2021 and the 468 total units sold for 2022. So I will give you a breakdown of separate communities if you'd like. Just reach out to me and let me know if you'd like that breakdown of the market statistics for your specific community. I have been asked to give several in the provinces. And a few in Boyers Ridge. So if you live in the Severn area and you would like to get a full market, a detailed market report for your subdivision or your community, just reach out and I'd be happy to provide that for you. It will give you the amount of properties that have been sold, the average price that those homes have been sold, and it will give you just more statistics based off of like days on market and things like that. But again, this is Diane Bullock with RE/MAX Executive. I will be happy to provide this information to you monthly just so that you'll know what's going on with your property. Feel free to reach out to me if you would like individual consultation, if you would like information on listing or selling a home or for rental properties as well. Have a blessed day. Please take care and have a prosperous year. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.